Yo, what is good guys? Back again with me Mato. Today video I'm gonna show you my process created some design with manipulate images using Photoshop, especially for shirt design. This is the result of my practice in the previous week. Because it's very easy and simple to make it, I figured why not to share this result for you. And if you're wondering about this process, today's video is going to be about that. Let's go. So let's starting with the main idea. I will start by get rid of the tube of fire extinguisher and change it with boxer glove. And this is to become my basic composition actually. And for now I'm combining them all, and I will start by adjust this element and try to find out, and I hope if this gonna be work. By the way, I put the download links for all these images in the description. Now I'm gonna speed it up this process. Let's go. Alright guys, for manipulating images, we will often cut and remove the background from the images we have. Now I'm gonna share with you a quick tips to easily remove background, and actually I also use it to speed up my work process. After I drop my image into workspace and restore this layer, and there is couple moves that you have to follow. Now pick the properties and scroll down until you found quick action menu, and just click the remove background, and this is automatically remove your background very fast and clean. Alright, now I start again to adjust them all for making basic composition. I also try adding some element or adding some more texture into it to make it more stunning obviously. So let's speed it up the entire process. Come on. Alright, now let's make some adjustment to the nozzle. As you can see, the color too dark and not pop to the overall composition, so I giving this color by using gradient map. And as you know, I very often use this technique in every process of my design, especially when I want to change, add or replace colors in my image. If you wonder to deep dive know more about this technique, you can watch my video of easy way to coloring your image, or you can check it out in the pop-up on the top right corner. Now I'm gonna speed it up this process little bit. Let's go. Alright guys, now it's time to adjust and balancing the color tone, so it's gonna make this design more stunning and more cool actually. I add camera raw filter to tune up the color. Usually I set up all these things randomly by playing with the slider over there until I find the good result to the design. And then I add some texture and fire overlay of it so it doesn't look too flat, and I think it will be make it more cool to the design. By the way, I put the download links this asset in the description. Alright guys, for optional touch, let's add highlight into it to make it more realistic and pop out to my design. Alright guys, move on to the next step. So I got the perfect adjustment and composition to the design, and the result is so amazing with manipulate these images. But for now I'm really happy with it. Let's add some of title to this design, and after that let's put in on t-shirt mockup to display this design. Let's go. Alright guys, so that it's all for today. I hope you learned something new from this video. I'll be uploading another video later this week, so make sure to subscribe so you don't want to miss out. Follow me on Instagram for more behind the scenes. Thanks for watching my video. See you on the next one. Peace.